Got the stubborn crew out there. What is it? 284. 283. Shout out my thermal cell. That thing's smoking too. You gotta get you one for this hunting, man. You're gonna be out here running your dogs at night in the summer. So the mosquitoes don't carry you off, get you a thermal cell. Good morning, y'all. We got a different type of training this morning. A different type of training going on. Hold on. Whoa, don't look like no rabbits out here. We're at the dog park. We are at the dog park. At that dog park. Oh, I can't zoom in. Anyway, I'm gonna let the girls out, the puppies out, so we can get better acquainted with each other. Oh my goodness, isn't that amazing? See, this is exactly why I'm doing it. Because she's scary. She'll play with me, but when it comes time to getting her out the cage and the kennel, it's just naturally in her blood to be scary. But we're gonna fix that. Ain't that right, baby? Let me get her out. Well, it looks like they're loving it. They stole the leash. That's Star, the little black and tan. That's Peaches with the pink collar. And then that's Trixie. That's Stars. These two are litter mates. Well, half litter mates. Whoa, what in the world just happened there? Anyway, like I was saying, she's half litter mate sisters. I want to say they might have the same mom and daddy, just different litters. Trixie's about 7-8 months older, so I'm pretty sure that's what Star's gonna look like. And she stole my mint. Stole my mint, she a little thief. Just let them run around, you know? Get them out the cage. You can't always go hunting. I know it ain't no snakes out here. That's for sure. Get off my bottle. Get off my bottle. Can't get them to stand still long enough. Confuse the thing. Hey, yeah, come here. Come on here. Trix, come on here, girl. Good girl. Good girl. anything, just getting them familiar with me and with each other. Ain't that right, Peaches? Peaches just got so much energy. No kissy kissy. There you go. Come here, girl. Crane. Trix, Star, come here. That's what you want. That's what you want right there. Good girls. Good girls. You want some loving? Good girls. See, they ain't really warmed up to me in the back. But then sooner or later, they ain't gonna be able to take all that loving. They said, man, ain't no way in the world he giving away all that loving for free. All we gotta do is come to him. That's all we gotta do is come to him. Look at that. Yeah, you want some loving too. You gonna get some loving sooner or later. Tricks. Eves. Give me back my drink. I guess dogs love it too, huh? Lemonade. Please? Can I have it? Please? I should have got that on camera, but it was too funny. That made him leave. Made him pick his dog up. Oops. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? YouTube. Anyway, I tried to create a video already. As you can see, I done dusted one side of my box. Good thing I got two sides. Here we go. Tiger Brand, Super 10, Garden and Pet Dust. Somebody asked me, say, Bo, how do you get rid of the fleas? They said, how you get rid of the fleas, Bo? I said, I don't really get rid of the fleas. I just kill the fleas. So what you do is take your dust, get you a good old handful, and whoosh. Show y'all what it look like. And it whoosh. Get that up out of there. So then you want to take your shavings, your fresh shavings, and you're gonna come over top of that. Come over top of that. I gotta find my shit. Up there to go. Cedar shavings. This is what I use. Of course, some people like pine. Some people like all types of different shavings. This is what I use. Do like I do, take it, modify what you're learning, and apply it. Add your own little twist to it until it works for you. But what works for me might not work for you, baby. All right. You have to bear with me. Let's add a little bit of comfort. Want your dogs to be riding in comfort. Like you ride in comfort, don't you? So take care of them. That's what it looked like. Of course that powder gonna come off. Come on, y'all, behave. There's powder all over the wall. Whose dog box is this? Yours or your wife's? Grow a pair. Hey, I'm just playing. I know some women that got beagles too, and they run rabbits too. How many of y'all done had that happen? Oh, antenna piece. gone. See if we can't replace that. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
I seen you out there doing some type of introductions.
Stalker? You were supposed to be in here asleep.
I was asleep, and then I went looking for you. And I saw you doing some type of first impressions are everything. That thing has some Loctite in it.
My mom's down there. You know what pisses me off? Is that my mom didn't feel this happy, want to wear t-shirts.
Look at all that dirt, hair, as you get after you take them 2 screws out. Now I got a basic collar. I got my replacement somewhere in here. What?
Why did you break it?
I didn't break it on purpose. Be quiet. It was probably already broke. Look at the replacement. Boom, bam, bop. If you look closely, it even has 2 grooves in it, so you don't mix it up. Put your little bolt right there. Oh my goodness, I have to entertain her now. I'll be back, guys. Bye-bye. Oh my goodness, I wish you'd be quiet. Anyway, what's up, y'all? It even comes with a new little cover piece and a new button. That thing basically back together. Let me finish putting it back together though. And there you have it. After I clip my zip tie, you got you a $50 fix down right here at the house. I put my other zip tie too high up there, so I had to cut it off. Either way it go, there you go, there you go, there you go. It's time to go rabbit hunting. Run the dogs. Did I catch him or did he leave? Oh, the little baby bear left. He was out here standing on his tippy toes looking at me. He won't be about 4 or 5 pounds. It might have been damn bigger than that. Yeah, about 15, 20 pounds. Another one over here on this edge of this hay field. Come on here. Hey, girl. Oh, there's a horsefly right there. Goodness.